Want more energy? Want to feel amazing? Superfoods can help. These nutrient-dense foods are nature's powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body craves. These foods are packed with nutrients, from vibrant berries to leafy greens. Each superfood offers unique benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. They give your body what it needs to thrive. Imagine starting your day with a smoothie, bursting with fresh fruits and vegetables, or enjoying a salad sprinkled with nutrient-rich seeds. Adding them to your diet is easy. You can blend them into smoothies, toss them into salads, or even bake them into your favorite recipes. Small changes can make a big difference. By making simple swaps like choosing quinoa over white rice or adding chia seeds to your yogurt, you can significantly boost your nutrient intake. Superfoods are not magic, but they can boost your health. They work by providing your body with essential nutrients that support various functions, from boosting your immune system to improving your skin health. They are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage and keep your body functioning optimally. These nutrients fight damage in your body. Antioxidants, for example, combat free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and lead to chronic diseases. They help you feel your best. When you nourish your body with superfoods, you can experience increased energy levels, better digestion, and a more vibrant appearance, ready to supercharge your health. Let's go! Start incorporating superfoods into your daily routine and feel the difference they can make in your life. Spirulina is a type of blue-green algae. Don't let that scare you. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Spirulina is packed with protein. Protein helps build and repair your body's tissues. Spirulina is also full of antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage. This helps your body stay healthy. You can add spirulina to smoothies. You can sprinkle it on salads. It has a slightly salty, seaweed-like taste. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. They are packed with fiber. Fiber is important for digestion. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied. This can help you manage your weight. Chia seeds are also good for your heart. They can help lower cholesterol. They can also help regulate blood sugar. Try adding chia seeds to yogurt. You can also mix them with water to make chia seed pudding. Turmeric Golden Spice Powerful Health. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that has been cherished for its vibrant color and potent health benefits. It comes from the root of the curcuma longa plant, which thrives in tropical climates. For centuries, turmeric has been a staple in traditional cooking and ancient herbal medicine, revered for its healing properties. The magic of turmeric lies in its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation. A natural response of the body is linked to many chronic health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. This reduction in inflammation may help protect against chronic diseases and promote longevity. You can easily add turmeric to your meals, such as curries, to enhance both flavor and health benefits. Additionally, you can enjoy turmeric in soothing beverages like golden milk or tea, making it a versatile addition to your daily routine. Easy recipes blend your way to wellness. We will explore how you can incorporate nutrient-dense superfoods into your daily routine effortlessly. Ready to add these superfoods to your diet? These recipes are not only simple, but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Here are some simple recipes that you can easily follow at home. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, these recipes are designed to be quick and easy. Let's start with a spirulina smoothie. You will need 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, half a cup of mixed berries, 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder, and 1 cup of water. Spirulina is a powerful superfood known for its high protein and antioxidant content. Blend all ingredients until smooth. This vibrant green smoothie is not only delicious, but also a great way to start your day with a burst of energy. Next, we have chia seed pudding. You will need 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, making this pudding a nutritious snack or breakfast option. Mix all ingredients in a jar. Make sure to stir well to avoid clumps. This pudding is perfect for meal prep, as it can be made ahead of time. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and create a creamy pudding-like texture. Finally, let's make turmeric tea. You will need 1 cup of water, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, and honey to taste. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making this tea a soothing and health-boosting beverage. Bring the water to a boil. This step is crucial to ensure that the spices dissolve properly and release their beneficial compounds. Add the turmeric and ginger powders to the boiling water and let it simmer for 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together and enhances the tea's health benefits. Strain the tea into a cup and sweeten with honey to taste. Enjoy this warm golden tea as a comforting drink any time of the day. These recipes are a fantastic way to boost your wellness journey. Small changes, big impact. You don't have to overhaul your diet overnight. Start small. Add a teaspoon of spirulina to your smoothie. Sprinkle chia seeds on your salad. Enjoy a cup of turmeric tea. Small changes can make a big difference in your health and well-being.